let's talk about going from on-premise to in the cloud. So if you're going from on-premise to in the cloud, the way to think of things is it's a whole new setup and configuration, because 98% of the companies out there don't have a path of migration to go from on-premise to in the cloud unless they allow you to move the full installation and copy all info from that local server and put it into a cloud server. Or restore it, I should say, into a cloud server. And a lot of applications, in order to go from on-prem to in the cloud, they're actually two different solutions. So they're two different programming models or languages based behind those different pieces of software. They're not a true, oh, I'm going from this on-prem to the cloud and it's exactly the same. Most instances, it's two totally different functions, features, tool sets, all of that. So it's usually a whole new migration. You might be able to take certain aspects from the on-prem to the cloud version. Sometimes you'll get lucky and they have a migration path to move historical data, to move your maps, to help with some of your configurations, but not always. So as you prepare to go from on-prem to a cloud solution, you have to think in your mindset, you're going from one tool to a whole new tool. So are you ready for that? Do you know what those current configurations are in your on-prem that you can mirror them or reset them up in the cloud? Are you ready to redevelop those maps? Because here's the thing that we're running across is most entities are moving from on-prem product to cloud-based. Reason being, most people don't tell you, is because it's actually easier from a programming standpoint to support cloud-based software than it is on-prem. Because cloud-based, you can make a user interface that works across any type of connection. So any type of web access. So whether that be dealing with Google or Microsoft, Firefox, any of those apps that get you accessibility, if I could talk today, into the actual cloud-based product, well, that's easier than dealing with program updates. Microsoft releases out those program updates that are fixing things on the system. Well, guess what? That can break that on-prem product. If it's Java-based and it's on-prem, somebody else has Java that it's utilizing on that particular system, and you update it for one program, it could break another program. So cloud-based is actually easier to maintain. It's easier on their level of support. But the difference is, as you're moving from on-prem to cloud, think of it as being a full reset up from on-prem to the cloud, unless you talk to your provider and they have a migration path to move from on-prem to the cloud.